Meaning of flophouse.
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 Flophouse. A flophouse is a cheap, run-down hotel or boarding house that provides minimal amenities to guests. It is typically inhabited by people who are homeless or in dire financial straits and need a place to stay. The conditions in a flophouse are often poor, with shared bathrooms, small rooms, and limited privacy. Residents may also face issues such as bed bugs, drug use, and crime. While flophouses offer an affordable option for those who cannot afford more comfortable accommodations, they are often associated with social problems and are regarded as unsafe or unsanitary.